So, the question that I have for you, thinking of weight control, all right? You've seen, a lot of us have been on weight control diets, whether to increase or decrease weight. I'm going to show you something in a second that's just amazing. Which is a greater factor in weight control? The amount of exercise you do or the amount of food that you eat? You think food? What did you say?
Food.
Why do you think that?
Just because your calorie intake, like if you're in a deficit or if you're eating too much, like compared to what you're burning. That didn't come out very clear.
No, it did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, let me give you a little, here's a quick anecdote. My little brother was a trail guide down at in St. George. He was at Green Valley. They have really fat, rich people that come in every week, and he'd walk them around southern Utah. You know, the beautiful places down there. He ate, and I'm not throwing this out to say no, you're wrong. I'm just curious because this has been a question that I've had forever. Because I've been overweight. I've been really, really just fat. But he would go on these trail hikes with these people, and he would eat 6,000 calories a day. Mostly candy bars.
Oh,
What is now what you would use, power bars, you know, and those kind of things. Back then, they didn't have such a thing, and so it was just Snickers, yeah. It was Snickers and Milky Way and that kind of thing. 6,000 calories a day. He told me, I cannot eat enough. And he was like, 6,000 calories a day. And because I went down one week and played with that. And I did the whole, the week-long training, or the week-long whatever they did with people. He gave me that gift once, and you know, you get a massage every day for an hour and a half, and there was a little tennis camp also, but we were hiking all over the place. So what do you think about?
Thinking he was burning enough calories that he needed to have that intake. And then also with the heart rate, where you talked about like where you're going to be burning sugars and carbs, I'm sure he stayed right in that zone of just burning sugars and carbs, so he could take in a lot more sugar like candy
His
bars.
output was
Okay.
at least as much as his input.
Yeah, there is a belief, and I hear a lot of people kind of questioning it lately, of calories in, calories out balance. The jury's still out on that, because there's not this is how it works 100% of the time.
I'm going to have to go with the exercise.
You think that's a bigger?
Well, look at Michael Phelps. How many calories did that guy eat a day?
Yeah, I don't know. Do you know?
He was eating 12,000
12,000?
calories a day just to get through one workout in his swimming. And he is a really high competitive swimmer, so he was maxing out his heart rate all the time. So I would say it would have to do with your exercise.
And I have to say,
Or it's both.
I don't know. But I want to show you something that's really startling, and I want you to pretend that you're a health scientist. A lot of you are in health promotion, so this is on your radar anyway, but I want you to see this trend. And some of you have probably seen this before.